We are going to have the last topic for second grading, which is solving problems involving polynomial functions. So here, class, we are going to apply our polynomial functions in different um, real life situations. So we are going to start first with our first example. So can I have someone to read? Um, can you read it, Nara?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you, Nara.
Alfonso Cavite is one of the best producer of tablia in the province of Cavite. Tablia is described as roasted, ground, and molded nibs of fermented pure cacao beans, which is also called chocolate tablet. Mang Tomas, a tablia manufacturer, determines that its profit P in thousands of pesos per month can be modeled by the polynomial function P(x) equals 0.0005 x cubed plus x minus 1, where x represents the number of boxes of chocolate sold. Using the given polynomial function, answer the following.
Okay, thank you. So we are going to answer the following, which is, oops, what is the profit of Mang Tomas if he sold 50 boxes? And then for letter B, how many boxes did he sell if he earned a profit of 149,000? So before we're going to answer the following questions here, class, we need first to understand our given problem. So what is as the I in our problem? Sige, what is as in our problem, class? Unsay mga gipangutan na diri sa to ang problem? Sige, unsa may mga pangutana here? You have there from A, sa tong A o B.
Iyang profit share ug kung pila ang iyang ma-sold out nga product.
Okay, so you have there iyahang profit o ang iyahang ma-sold out na product. So mao na ang ato ang ask here. Now, this time is we're going to get what are the given in our problem. So sige daw, unsa man atong mga makita diha nga given, class? Unsa atong mga given here? Okay, we have the number of boxes. Okay, so what is our number of boxes there? Sa mayahang given. That is 50. Okay. Um, yes, it can be. So that is for letter A. So you use letter A already. So let's try to focus first here sa atong problem. Anya na niya to ang mga questions. Sa atong problem sa ta. What are the given nga makita na to diri, class? You can have the mathematical sentences, mathematical phrases. You can have. You have there x minus 1. Oops. You have there x minus 1. Kuwang siya. Sige daw. You have there x represents the number of boxes sold. Very good. we have P of X is equals to 0.00005 raised to 3 plus X minus 1. Yes, that is also correct. Unsa pa class? Napabatay lain nga given here? So, naman tay number of boxes and then natay polynomial function. Unsa pa man? Last one na lang. Okay, we have the thousands of pesos per month. Unsa man na ato ang thousands of pesos per month? That is the profit. Very good. So these are our given in our problem. You have there the profit P, which is in thousands of pesos per month. We have as well our polynomial function, which is P of X is equals to 0.00005 X raised to 3 plus X minus 1. And we have as well our X represents the number of boxes of tableas sold. So you have to look for good class imuhang mga given because that will help you in solving sa inyong unsaon ninyo pag-answer sa inyong question. Now here class is we're going to try to answer letter A first, which is what is the profit of Mang Tomas if he sold 50 boxes. So di ba nasuot naman nato tong given. So money siya tong ask and then this is our given. Now this time is we are going to solve now our problem. So unsaon ka nato pagkuha class ang profit ni Mang Tomas kung nakasold siya og 50 ka box using sa imong mga given dere. We're going to substitute. Unsa man atong i-substitute? Unsa atong i-substitute? Ang 50 sa X. Okay. So, very good. So, you have there, we can substitute or we can make our P, this one, our P of X into P of 50. So, meaning to say, kanatong 50 nga gisold dira is ato siyang i-substitute here. So, you can have P of X is equals to 0.00005 X raised to 3 plus X minus 1. So, substitute all your values of X with 50. So, you can have P of 50 is equals to 0.00005 times 50 raised to 3 plus 50 minus 1. Now, let's try first to simplify 50 raised to 3 class. Pila na siya? Sige, if you have calculators, you can use it. 50 raised to 3. Okay, we have 125,000. Very good. Now, we have here P of 50 is equals to 0.00005 times 125,000 plus 50 minus 1. So, here, ato ni siyang i-simplify na pod balik. So, you have there, 0.00005 times 125,000. Pila na siya, class? We have 6.25. Very good. How about for 50 minus 1? 50 minus 1. That is 49. So, we have there, P of 50 na siya, class. Sorry na, P of 5 siya. P of 50 is equals to 6.25 plus 49. Simplify this one. What is the result of P of 50? Okay, we have here 55.25. Now, I'm gonna ask you, class, is this already the profit of Mang Tomas if he sold 50 boxes? Yes or no? Okay, no. Why man? Sige. Anong dili pa siya ang ato ang profit. Okay, very good. We need to multiply it with our thousand. Since, as you can see here, the profit P is in thousands of pesos per month. So meaning to say, we're going to multiply this 55.25 by 1,000. So you can have your profit is equals to 55.25 times 1,000, and that is 55,250 pesos. So meaning to say, Mang Tomas' profit is 55,250 if he sold 50 boxes of tableas. Okay, so very good. So, dakwada ginan siya ni ano ni Mang Tomas. Okay. So, now dapat jud natong magkuan jud ta class. Dapat jud natong sabton atong problem and then isuwat tanan given para wala gyud malimtan. Okay, so far any questions for our letter A? Okay, none. None ra. Okay. Very good. Now let's proceed with our question B. How many boxes na siya, boxes did he sell if he earned a profit of 149,000? Okay. So, same process class. The letter B is your what is asked, and then what is your given or what are your given is same rapod siya ganina, which is ang profit in thousands of pesos per month, and then can be modeled by a polynomial function p of x is equals to 0.00005 x raised to 3 plus x minus 1, and then we have x represents the number of boxes of tableas sold. Now, this time class, since you have there sa tuang ask or sa tong question is 149,000 man ang profit. And then tan-awon daw nato pila ka boxes ang ato ang masold. So how are we going to solve this one? Is it the same sa pagkuha nato ganina which is ang profit? I-divide. Asa man nato siya i-divide? Sige. Sige, let's try to analyze. Profit naman ato ang boxes naman ato ang kuhaon. And then try to look at our given here. So unsa may gi-represent sa boxes diha. So that makuha na to siya using our given. Kung ganina nag-substitute ta sa tanan x nato, kay given man ang boxes. So karon kaha unsa kaha ato ang i-substitute diri. Since profit naman ang pangutana or ang gigiven sa pangutana. Okay, so very good. Actually, yes, that is correct, Caro, ang P. Ang P nasa dato ang i-substitute class or kaning P of X nato. 'Di ba ang kaning P of X nato is mao ni siya to ang profit, right? 'Di ba kay mao man na siya P. So imo ra na siyang i-substitute. So you have there your given polynomial function which is p of x is equals to 0.000005 x raised to 3 plus x minus 1. So kanang p of x nimo, you're going to substitute that one with 149,000. Okay? So kani siya class, since niingon man ta diri nga imuhang p is in thousands of pesos per month, so we're going to divide your 149,000 into 1,000. So ato siyang gi-divide. So ika-divide nimo sa 149,000, mahimo siya 149. Okay? So you have there, and then continue lang ka, is equals to 0.00005 x raised to 3 plus x minus 1. Now, what is our next step here, class? Unsa na may next step? This is the same as like solving polynomial equation. What's the next step? Are we gonna combine like terms or are we gonna transpose or what? Okay, we're going to transpose. Or we are going to have the addition quality equality property. So you have there your 149. We can transpose this one to the right side. So what will happen to 149? Okay, mahimo siyag negative 149. So you can have there magbutang na lang kag 0 since wala na may left side nimo. And then just copy the 0.00005 x raised to 3 plus x minus 1 minus 49. Now what's the next step, class? What's our next step here? Mag-combine like terms ba ta? I-transpose ang x? No. Okay, very good. We are going to combine like terms. So we're going to combine, since you have there negative 1 minus 149 man. So pila yung result, class? Okay, very good. You have there negative 150. So here, class, ano na siya plus x ha, plus x minus 150. So as you can see here, class, di ba it is a polynomial equation na siya. So you have there 0.00005 x raised to 3 plus x minus 150. So unsa kahato ang buhaton na ani, class? Pwede ba siyang ma-factor? Pwede ba siyang or napa ba tayo ma-transpose? Napa ba tayo ma-combine? Naa ba tayo ma-factor niya, class? Naa ba siya common monomial factor? Naa ba siya special factoring? Naa ba siya general trinomial? Do we have perfect square trinomial? Sa inyo makita dire. You have 0.00005 x raised to 3 plus x minus 150. Naa ba? Okay. So maybe nagunahuna pa no, but actually yes, naa siya common monomial. As you can see, you have there 0.00005. And then you have there 1 imuhang coefficient sa x, and then you have there 150. So you're just going to divide your given here with 0.00005. So we can have this one, gipagawas na to ang 0.00005. And then you have there quantity x cube plus 20,000x, and then minus 3 million. Okay? So kung mangutana mo class giunsa siya, you can have your dire, di ba? 1 man na siya. So you can have 1 divided by 0.00005. That is 20,000. And then you have there your 150, i-divide ninyo og 0.00005. That is 3 million. Okay? You can double check that one using your calculator. Base na ako'y sayop or base na ako'y na typo. Nakuha pa class, that is your common monomial factor. Okay? Sige, question so far sa kaninga part. Okay, wala ra. Now, this time is we are going to get your kanisiyang nasa parentheses. Okay, we're going to get that one and then mag-factor out na pud ta niya. So, unsa man niyahang factors class? Iyang kaning sa 0 is equals to x raised to 3 plus 20,000 x minus 3 million. So, unsa man ni siya nga kuan nga kind of factoring atong may use dire. Can we have special factoring here? Ma-apply ba ang special factoring? Or makuha ba nato ang rational root theorem? Or dili pa? Okay. So actually, we can just use giun sa pagkuha ang 20,000 x teacher. Kato siya. Di ba naman na siya kuan diha plus na siya plus class ha plus x. So di ba ang coefficient nimo sa x diha is you will have 1. Di ba na siya 1. So imo ra siyang i-divide 1 divided by your common monomial factor nga 0.00005. So imo ra siyang i-divide. And then you can get there 20,000. And then same as well with your 150. 150 i-divide lang gihapon ani, you can get 3 million. Okay. So now kanina po siya ato ni siyang i-factor out. So unsa may pinaka-easy nga way? Actually, you have a lot of ways man diba to get your factors. You can use rational root theorem, you can use your general trinomial, you can use your synthetic division. Pwede to siya. So you have there an answer from ABAPO, which is x minus 100 quantity x squared plus 100x plus 3,000. 3,000 ba siya? Or 30,000? 30,000. Okay, which is that is correct. So sorry ha, this one is extra na siya. Wala siya is squared. So x minus 100, quantity x squared plus 100x minus 30,000. So since na factor naman nimo siya class and then nakita nimo nga naa kay nag-value of x diha, which is kani siya x minus 100, so imo ni siyang gamiton kani siya. Okay? You're going to use this one. So imo ra siyang i-solve for x. So kana siya, since dali ra man nimong makuha ang x ani kay you're just going to transpose man. Remember ha, extra na siya ha, wala na siya squared. So, x minus 100. So, you have there x minus 100 is equals to 0 and then transpose ranin mo ang 100 to the right side. So, you will have x is equals to 100. And then, ingon man ta diri nga, ang x represents the number of boxes of tableya sold. So, meaning to say, Mang Tomas sold 100 boxes to earn a profit of 149,000. Okay, so here class, as you can see, mas taas-taas siya og way unlike sa tong gibuhat sa previous one since we do kuan man diri, factoring. Kato siya is just simply nag-substitute raman ta and then multiply. But here is we need to factor. Okay, so all of the factoring methods that we learned in our previous discussions can be applied here. Okay, so any questions class? Pang-usbon sa ako kung typo class ha para dili mo maglibog. Pasensya, ikaayo. Okay. Maura ba? Yes. Okay. Sige, now any questions for our letter B? You can turn on your microphone or pwede pod sa chat. Sure, unsa na factoring ang gi-use gani? You can use bisag unsa nga factoring method. But here you can use general trinomial. Okay, general trinomial or if ganan mo sayon, you can use the rational root theorem or synthetic division. Basta i-kuan lang dyan ninyo siya, i-by kuan ninyo siya. I-by, ano pa na ni? Kasi ba ang result ani since imo siyang pwede siya synthetic division, so makuha naman kag value of x ana. So imo lang siyang i equal to 0 like this. Ang kani siya. Okay? Sige, any questions for letter B? Wala na? Can I see thumbs up sa chat if wala na questions? Okay, kung kinsa way thumbs up diha, copy na lang. Okay, sige. Now, this time is we are going to have our example number 2. So, pwede i-read Tampos. Working ang microphone. Working ang microphone, Tampos.
The demographer and province of Cebu predicts that the population P of the town 3 years from now can be modeled by the function Pt 6T4 minus 5T3 plus 200P minus 1 minus 12,000.
Okay, thank you, Tampos. So, you have there, Kondo, the demographer in province of Cebu predicts that the population P of the town T years from now can be modeled by the function P of T is equals to 6T raised to 4 minus 5T raised to 3 plus 200T minus 12,000. So here, class, is we're going to answer first question. So, mani siya first nga ask, what will be the population of the town 5 years from now? So, this time class is let's try to get sa ato ang given. So, unsa ang mga given nga makita na to diri class? Okay, we have 5 years. Okay. Sa ato ang question, that is 5 years. How about for our given problem? Sa may makuha na to diri sa atong problem. We have P of t is equals to 6t raised to 4 minus 5t raised to 3 plus 200t minus 12,000. Very good. Which is our function. Unsa pag yun? Unsa pa yung makuha na to here? As our given. Okay, so you have there the population with which is your P. Unsa pa class? And then we have our T years. Okay, so you have there your given, which is population, your T years, and then your P of T, which is your function. Now here, class, what are we going to do to get the population of the town 5 years from now? How are we going to get? We're going the substitute. Okay, so asa na to i-substitute or unsa atong i-substitute here? Okay, sa t. Very good. So we are going to substitute our t in our function. Since ang atong ipangita diri kay ang kuan man, ang population para makuha na to atong p of t. So i-substitute ra nato ang atong t is equals to 5 man. So you have there our given polynomial function and then substitute your t to 5. So you have p of 5 is equals to 6 quantity 5 raised to 4 minus 5 quantity 5 raised to 3 plus 200 quantity 5 plus 12,000. Now simplify na to, class. You have there kaning 5 raised to 4. Pila man na siya, class? Okay, that is 625. How about 5 raised to 3? Katuloon na tong 5. That is 125. And then you have there your 200 times 5. Pila man na siya? 200 times 5. Okay, that is 1,000. So you have there your 5 raised to 4, that is 625. 5 raised to 3, that is 125. And then 200 times 5, that is 1,000. And then copy 12,000. Now we have here, kanina po datong i-simplify. So 6 times 625. That is 3,750. Very good. How about 5 times 125? Okay, that is 625. And then simplify lang na nimo siya. So you have there 3,750 minus 625 plus 1,000 plus 12,000. What is the result, class? Okay, we have 16,125. Okay, so class, you have there your P of 5 is equals to 16,125. Is this our final answer? Final answer na ba siya? Okay, yes. So meaning to say the population of the town 5 years from now is 16,125. So muna lang na-predict, class, using the polynomial function. Okay. Now, do you have any questions for our letter A? Okay, none. So basta ang kuan pangitaon no, ang population dali ra kay makuha. Pero if ang kuan na gani, you know the next question na ang pangitaon nato is ang years na pod. So you have there question number 2. In how many years will the population of the town be 936,000? So kani class, unsa naman sa datong buhaton? So same ang gyapon atong given class. You have P, population, T, years, and then your modeled function. So unsa atong buhaton diri? So that makita nato ang years. Okay, isub ang P. Very good. Or i-substitute na to ang P of T. So you have there, for our solution, we're going to have P of 20 that is equivalent to 936,000. So meaning to say kanang P of T ni mo diha, mo na siya P of 20, that is 936,000. Okay. Sorry, but that is P of T. Actually, Nico was na ang answer. So, you have there. So, P of T na siya ha. And then, imo ra siyang i-substitute. Answer na ng 20 class. So, you have there P of T and then your given polynomial function. So, substitute lang nato siya. Which is 936,000. And then, you have there 6t raised to 4 minus 5t raised to 3 plus 200t plus 12,000. Now, what's our next step, class? Okay, transpose. So, we can have, or pwede nimo siyang equality. So, ako na siyang gibalhin sa right side ang 0, no? So, you have there 6t raised to 4 minus 5t raised to 3 plus 200t plus 12,000 minus 936,000. So, na-transpose na nato, class. What's the next step? What's our next step here? Combine like terms. Very good. So, asa man atong makombine ani, we have 12,000 and then 936,000. So, pila siya? If ato siyang i-subtract. 12,000 minus 936,000. Okay, you have there negative 924,000. So, you have there class 60 raised to the power of 4 minus 5t raised to the power of 3 plus 200t minus 924,000 is equals to 0. So, as you can see, it is already a polynomial equation. So, can we factor this one, class? Ma-factor ba nato siya? Actually, yes. Diba, you have there, your highest exponent is 4 and then 3 and then go down. So, same process as we did a while ago or earlier, that mangita kag way nga imo siyang ma-factor. So, here we can factor this one as t minus 20, quantity 60 raised to 3 plus 115t raised to 2 plus 230t plus 46,200 quantity is equals to 0. So, ang gibuhat ana niya, class, is using ra gyud siya sa factoring nga mga methods. Okay, nga atong na-discuss last time. And then, since makita naman nimo diha nga nakay mag-value og t, so you're just going to solve for t. And then, kani siya mo ang gamiton, so you have t minus 20 is equals to 0. And then, transpose, you can have t is equals to 20. So, mo nang na t diha is to 20, class. So, meaning to say, the population of the town will be 936,000 20 years from now. And that is your final answer. Okay. So, kabaw na ko, class, asa mo maungot. Ari na dyan ta maungot din sa factoring. Okay? So, depende ra gyud ha kung what's work best for you. You can use katong akong gipang-ingon ganina, factoring method, rational root theorem, synthetic division, or you can also have katong mag-substitute ka. Sa rational root theorem to siya. Tong mag-substitute ka. Okay? So far, do you have any questions for this? Example, letter B. Napaday mo English class. I-chat na si Sir Anna, nangita na ninyo. Okay, Nanra? Okay. So now class, if na may questions, just ask lang ha. And then if none, I think that's it for today since it's already 9:57. So